welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, it is gonna be a home update, and you guys, it's gonna be a good one. We're painting the dining room. We're updating our pantry, and we're doing a little guest bedroom update as well. I'm super excited about it. I feel like if you've been keeping up, you probably saw this coming, that we were gonna be doing some of these updates. In the guest bedroom, we're getting a new mattress by SweetNight, which is today's video sponsor. Thank you, SweetNight, for sponsoring today's video. I'm gonna explain more about their mattress, but you guys, it is so good. Trust me, if you're a hot sleeper like I am, you get really hot at night, this mattress is the mattress for you. But we'll talk more about that a little bit later. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, you wanna see a home update, you wanna see us update the dining room, organize our pantry, and a little guest bedroom in there as well, then please just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, first things first, we are adding a mattress in our guest bedroom, which I'm so excited about. It just arrived in the mail, so we're gonna unbox it, roll it out, see how we like it. So let's get into it. So this specific mattress is called the CoolNest mattress, and it's exactly what the name suggests. It helps you stay cool at night and also sleep really deep. This heart here is supposed to demonstrate how breathable the mattress actually is. This mattress also comes in different sizes, starting from full, queen, all the way up to king. I love the CoolNest system because it has a gel flu high resilience foam, which means that yes, it's gonna keep you nice and cool at night, but you're also going to feel supported. If you or maybe your partner toss and turn at night, no worries there, you're not going to feel it because of the motion absorption. Okay, you guys, so it's been some time. The mattress is fully expanded, and you guys, I cannot get over the fact that it's literally cold. Like, it's a cold cooling technology that they use, which is honestly perfect because I get hot at night. Like, I definitely sweat at night. So having something cooling, it's so soft, and I just really like this. So we are going to make up the bed here in the guest bedroom. I will have all the information listed down in the description box if you want to shop this SweetNight mattress. And I know our guests are gonna get the best night's sleep on this mattress. Okay, you guys, and this is the final product. This is what the guest bedroom is looking like. I feel like the bed looks way fluffier now. I don't know, like something about it looks a lot better. So not only is the mattress like cooling, awesome, amazing, but it kind of, I don't know, it made the bed look more like showroom quality, I guess. I don't know, I really like it. But I picked up these pillows. These are a Home Goods find. These are new. They're by the brand, cause I always say it wrong, Callisto Home. And I looked them up online. I was like, wait, I really like these pillows. They're normally like $200 and something pillows. They were at Home Goods, only $40. So if you see this brand, here, I'll show you again, Callisto in Home Goods, snag them. They're amazing quality. They stand up perfectly. Like, to me, this is what the perfectly fluffed pillow looks like. So I got them in the living room, the sunroom, which I shared on Instagram in a reel. So anyway, this is just a basic overview of the guest bedroom. Everything else pretty much looks the same. I put the pillows that were on the bed at one point here. Well, one of them. I put one of them here in this chair. This used to be my old office chair, which I cannot believe I was sitting at this chair editing for hours on end. Like, my poor back. But anyway, really cute chair. Like, it's not that. Like, it's definitely very cute. It's comfortable enough where if you just want to like sit here quick, but to work at something like this, it's crazy. And then I also have these faux stems. These are an Amazon find. I'll link them as well. And I mixed them with, I think these are like a Michaels find. Like, I think these stems are from Michaels, and this vase. So those are all the new things in the guest bedroom. I just think this looks so perfect for spring. Very full in this vase. I love it. And I love how it pops against our dresser. Oh, I also added this clothing rack because I just needed more space. So I've had this clothing rack for a really long time. This was in the glam room at one point. Do you all hear the rain? I just want to cuddle up. But this clothing rack was there. I needed way more space. So I just had it here. When our guests come, I will move it. We'll worry about that at a future date. But right now, this is what it's looking like. I absolutely love it. Love the bed, love the mattress, of course. And I'll try to link everything that I can down below. Okay, you guys, today is a very exciting day. We are going to continue painting the dining room. If you've been keeping up with the channel and you've seen the last home update or maybe the one prior to that, I can't keep up. I painted this middle section in the dining room dark. I asked you all what you thought. Should I keep it dark? Should I bring the paint color down? Should I leave it as is? And it was pretty split. A lot of you all liked it in the middle. I do too, but I keep looking at it. Anytime I pass this room, I keep looking. I'm like, something's not right. So we are going to continue painting the bottom half, see how I feel, okay? It's kind of like, ladies, if you can relate, if you've always had long hair, always do long weave, long extensions, whatever it is, and then you're like, okay, I wanna go short, but you kind of have to creep up until you're like, actually, I have a bob. Like, I wanted a bob in the first place, but I have to get comfortable with the lack of hair. That's how I feel about color, especially a dark color like this in an entire room. I had to get comfortable, okay? This is a big step for me. Had to get comfortable. I'm very comfortable with the color. I love the actual color of the room. I just want to bring it down to the bottom half of the wall so that the whole entire wall is dark. After we do that, I might be like, you know what? I want to paint this trim as well. I might want to paint the trim up here. We're just creeping into color drenching. I couldn't just bring myself to completely, oh, do I need chapstick? Oh, I need some chapstick. Don't look too close. I couldn't bring myself to completely color drench. I was just too scared. I was too scared. But now we're gonna move on to the bottom half of the wall. Take a step back. Okay, we're going slow. See how we feel about the bottom half, and then maybe we'll do a little bit up here. I don't know, you guys. Like, I just need to take my time. Okay, turning a house to a home takes time. This is another example of me just taking my time. Hi, Rob. Hi, Rob. Anyway, let's get into it. Let's paint this dining room part 2. This is starting to feel like deja vu, but of course we had to clear out the dining room yet again. We had to move all of the chairs and take the things out of the cabinets just so we were able to move the cabinets to be able to paint the bottom half. This is truly a testament that one room can look amazing in maybe like 8 different ways. You all know I'm taking you throughout the entire journey of making this house a home. So hopefully this is able to just give you some inspiration on what a room could look like. If you wanted to paint half the wall or the entire wall, there's just so many different options.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living. It's
Okay, you guys, and this is what the dining room is looking like. It is completely dark. I love it. I think it looks so much more finished, I guess would be the word, whereas like having just part of it dark and then the bottom half white, it looked super cute and I loved it for a while. But the more I looked at it, the more I'm like, no, we need to just complete the wall, have it just be a nice, neat, dark, vampy, moody color in here all the way. And I am so happy with it. You have to let me know what you think in the comments. All of the white that was in here really stands out. Like the chairs to me really pop because of the dark walls. The chandelier stands out, and we still obviously have our ceiling white. I think I'm gonna keep it, you guys. I'm 100% keeping it. We are done 100% with the dining room. Well, not 100%. I think I want to get different curtains, but that's like an easy little home update. But as far as a major like project, we are done with the dining room. I'm not gonna extend the color up there. I'm just gonna keep it here. I think it looks great. All of you all who voted for paint the rest of the wall, you all won, and you all were right. It looks so good all the way dark. And moving on to project number 2 in this home update, we're updating the pantry. Our pantry right now is cluttered. It's a hot mess. I ordered a bunch of different bins, so we're going to be switching up the bins that are in the pantry to these gold ones. I think these ones are so chic. They're metal, so it's going to be a lot easier to clean and maintain and just organize all the food that we have. Okay, guys, so this is what we're working with in the pantry. It's kind of a hot mess. It's not terrible by any means. Like I would not consider this like, ooh, terrible, horrible, because we have tried to organize this before. Clearly you can see we have bins, but they don't really match. They don't really go. Not only that, the main reason why I wanted to switch the bins was because the wicker part, oh, it's out of focus. Hold on. The wicker, why isn't it focusing? The wicker part of these baskets shed. Like any time that we move them back, they kind of get, you can hear that, right? They get caught on the bottom of this. It's starting to scratch this up because of the material of the basket. I don't know why this isn't focusing. Okay. Anyway, because of the basket wicker material, it scratches up the shelves, it sheds. So we're constantly trying to like vacuum these corners. You can even see in there, there's like shedding in there from the wicker. So that's not working for us. So instead we got metal ones. I literally just, is this in focus? Okay, I think this is a little better. Basically, I just showed you in that haul that I got metal bins, gold metal bins, which I think are really, really cute. I also got these clips. It's like these label clips to go on the bins. I think these are gonna look really, really nice. So you just write on them with regular chalk marker. It comes with chalk markers. So we're gonna write like chips, like protein powder. And then the plan is to just clip it on to the bin like this. And I think it's gonna be really cute. I think this is gonna be a lot more functional because it's just a metal bin. Like I don't have to worry about it like peeling and stuff like that. It also comes with these little like bumpers to put at the bottom, so no scraping onto our shelves like what we've been dealing with. So I think this is gonna be nice. I feel like the gold is going to look nice. It's gonna be more functional. I'm also really excited to just like go through everything and organize the pantry. If you follow me on Instagram, I told you that I'm kind of on a journey to get back into cooking and really enjoy cooking. I currently do not. So I'm thinking if I decorate the kitchen, if I organize the pantry, it'll make me want to start cooking again because everything will be nice, neat, and organized, and I'll want to be in here because right now I'm like, I don't even know what food I have. If I wanted to make something from scratch or as from scratch as we're gonna get over here, I don't even know like where half the stuff is, what's expired, what's going on. This is like mystery land back here. So let's get it organized, not only for the aesthetic purposes, but so that I can also get in the kitchen, start cooking again, making meals, having fun in the kitchen. And so yeah, anyway, I'm rambling. Let's get started organizing our pantry.
get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah. I promise you'll never leave me. When it comes to you and me, there's no one else I'd rather be with. Baby, I won't let you down. I got it, I know you need it. Love is hit when you're around. Oh, please say that you believe it, 'cause I don't wanna lose you. I hope you feel that way too.
These bins are honestly the star of the show. I think they look so nice, obviously, like they're beautiful, but it's a lot easier to organize food in them because, like I said, it's not gonna have the shedding. Some of these wire ones, I'm actually able to completely see through, so I'll be able to see what I have. Just like how I mentioned earlier that I wanna start cooking more, I need to be able to see, okay, what food is there? What can I actually cook? What recipes can I come up with? So these bins are just an overall like better use of space and just way more functional for my family.
No, I don't wanna lose you. Baby, don't go. Don't go. When I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah. You back, oh yeah. 'Cause I don't wanna lose you. I hope you feel that way too. No, I don't wanna lose you. Baby, don't go. Oh, when I get you back, oh yeah. I promise you'll never leave me. When it comes to you and me, there's no one else I'd rather be with. When I get you back, oh yeah. Oh. When I get you back, oh yeah. Back, oh yeah. Oh, when I get you back, oh yeah.
Okay, you guys, and jump cut to the pantry being 100% complete. This is what it looks like, just nice, neat, and organized. Like I said before, we really just wanted to switch out the bins and categorize them. The bins we had were sort of like the wicker bins up there, but anytime we would slide them out, they would shed. It was kind of a mess. So I love these metal ones and these wire ones up here. Gold, of course, very, very chic. And we kept some of the wicker ones up top, but that's just really like backstock. We've got paper plates and napkins and things like that. Our vacuum. We've got a plastic bag dispenser because if not, our plastic bags get out of control. So we like to keep them just in there. We're able to pull them up whenever we need for like the kids stuff, like dirty things and things like that. So yeah, we just have the rest of our pantry nice, neat, and organized. Really, it just needed, okay, a couple of those things still need to go. Like that's Christmas. That needs to be put away, but it's fine. It just really needed a refresh and some organization. I also plan on making like a family grocery list with all of our staple items so that maybe we could keep it in here, maybe around where our cookbooks are, like in a folder or something, so that before we go grocery shopping, we can kind of check off like everything that we have and everything that we need, because we pretty much buy the exact same stuff every single week. So it would be very helpful and useful to just have a grocery list, a universal kind of family grocery list of the things that we buy every single time and we always need. So yeah, having an organized pantry is really gonna help with that. I love how it looks. I will have everything linked down below. Yay for an organized pantry. This is such a great feeling.